The Hen and the Birds story. One day, the bird noticed the hen scratching the ground, searching for food. The bird, being quick and agile, often found food without trouble. Feeling proud, he chirped, "Why do you waste so much time scratching the ground, dear hen? Look at me. I soar through the sky and find food in minutes." The hen smiled and replied, "I may not fly like you, but my patience rewards me. I am safe and satisfied on the ground, while you face many dangers in the sky." The bird laughed, not convinced. The next day, as the bird flew high, a hawk spotted him and began to chase him. Frightened, the bird remembered the hen's words. He quickly dove down to the ground, hiding under the bushes until the hawk lost interest. When he returned, the hen said kindly, "Sometimes taking the simple path is the safest choice." The bird learned a valuable lesson that day and respected the hen's wisdom from then on. Moral of the story: patience and simplicity often lead to safety and success. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.